Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a campground website. I will also be showing you how to include booking, and all of this can be done within 10 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. So you're going to go onto wix.com and you can create an account using your email. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on create new site. After selecting create new site, I want you to tap on create on Wix editor. After tapping on create on Wix editor, tap on set up without AI, as this will give you more authority, or a better way to customize your website to your liking. Then from here we can simply type in camp. As you can see right there, you could go more specific and type in campground, as you can see right there, but we'll simply leave it at camp. So we're going to select camp right there. Then you're going to tap on next. After selecting next, you can see it is preparing your dashboard. Once the dashboard has been prepared, I will be showing you how to add your business name, also how to add the services, and also how to add products if you plan on selling any products or so on. So the first thing you'll be doing is adding your business name. Then from here you can add your business address. After adding your business address, you're going to tap on next. And you can set up the working hours. So whether it is 5 days a week or 7 days a week, you can set it up right here. You can also add your opening and closing hours. So let's say, for example, from 8 a.m. and we'll be closing 4 p.m. We can quickly do that using this platform. Then you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on next, if you see any services that are related to what you like to offer, you can select them. But at the moment, I don't see any related to camping service, so I will leave it as is and I'm going to tap on next. I will be showing you how to add services. Now you can add your staff members' name and email address right here. Then tap on next, and if you will be accepting payments online, you can select accept online payments. You can also tap on accept in-person payments if you're going to do that. Then tap on next once more and tap on continue to dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I will be showing you how to add the different services that we'll be offering, and I'll also be showing you how to set up the different payment methods that we will be offering our customers. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on booking services. Then you're going to be redirected to the services page, and you're going to tap on start from scratch. After selecting start from scratch, right here you can simply tap on the title section. So you can tap on name service, and for example, you can name whatever service you would like to offer. You can also add an image right here related to the service. So I'll simply type in camping just for example's sake, but you could tap on upload media and you could upload an image from your device. So let's say this image, then tap on add to page. After you have added the image, you can scroll down, you can add a quick description, and you can also add a duration. So let's say, for example, we will be charging them per hour, so we'll leave that as is. And the fee will be $100, or you can add a fee to your liking. Then you will tap on save in the top right hand corner, and you can continue doing this and adding more services to your website. After you have added the services, all you'll need to do now is set up the payment method. But first, let us click on the X in the top left hand corner to close that pop-up. Now to set up the different payment methods, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. And I also want you to pay attention to booking calendar, As by selecting booking calendar, this is where you'll be able to see when your services are booked on what particular day. You can also set up a gift card if you would like to offer gift cards to your customers. And by scrolling down, we will be able to set up our billing and payment by selecting billing and payment, then selecting payments. Once on this page, I want you to tap on manage payment methods. After selecting manage payment methods, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. For example, I can offer TiloPay and PayPal, but if I were to change my location by tapping on change, and let's say I were to change it to Canada, you can see that I'm now offered a different set of payment options. So for example, let's change it real quick. I'll be able to accept Wix payments, which will allow me to accept Apple Pay and also Google Pay. And by tapping on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner, you can see that I can also activate AAA and so much more, as you can see right there. So it all depends on the country you're located in. You will be provided with even more payment options, as you can see right there. Once you have set up the different payment options that you would like to use, and by the way, to start accepting online payments on your Wix website, you will need to go onto their business plan. But their business plan is quite affordable, as it starts off at $17 per month, so it will definitely be worth it. Then you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. After selecting set up, what I want you to do next is tap on design site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you will be provided with some templates that you can use. So we can simply tap on search all templates in the top right hand corner, and we can type in camping, and let's say for example I were to select camping site. You can see some different templates that they would recommend right here, and we will be using this template, so I'm going to tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes our website page. You can simply tap on the X to close out, or if you would like assistance from the Wix AI, you could tap in the box right here and type in some information that you may want to add to your website and tap on generate site text. But for now, I'll close the pop-up. Then you're going to tap on plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you can scroll down, and this is how our website looks at the moment. So you can see already it does look professional, and you can edit each section by using your mouse. You can simply hover over the section, as you can see right here. Then you will see the option quick edit. You can tap on quick edit. Then in the right hand menu option, you can change the background, you can change the text, you can change the titles. As you can see right here, you will be able to edit each section. It is quite straightforward and easy to use. The Wix platform, you can edit any section. If it is a case that you would like to delete a section, you can also quickly do that by tapping on quick edit. You'll be able to remove it. If you would like to add a new section, you could tap on add section. It is quite easy to edit. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add, for example, text or so on that you don't see on the website, all you would need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. From here, you can add text, image, button, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You can find it in this section. And also, to view the different pages on your website, you can tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then from there, for example, if we were to go onto the shop page, so we're going to select shop, and you can see right now we're on the shop page right here. You can scroll down, and by the way, to manage these products, all you need to do is hover over the particular section. Then from there, you can select manage products, and you will be able to remove the products, the sample products, and add your own products. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. After selecting Save, you can tap on Publish for your website to go live. And by the way, if we were to tap on Shop once more right here, you can scroll down and you'll be able to view the booking page. So we could tap on Book Online. So let's view our booking page real quick. So you can see the service that we had added earlier. And if I were to tap on Preview in the top right hand corner, so that we can get a first-hand experience of how it will look and operate, you can see it right here. If when our customers tap on Book Now, they will be redirected to a new page, and on this new page they'll be able to choose the day or days that they would like to schedule, the time, and then they'll tap on Next, and they'll be prompted to enter their payment and also their basic information, for example email and also name. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.